I hate when literally every YouTuber does it, but they're like, what are we doing today?
Well, today we're gonna wet sand this piece of garbage.
I've
never painted before. This is the first thing I've ever painted.
I want the video to feel natural.
Natural.
Vince, tell us what you're doing to the 240 today, man. 10-cylinder VQ. They only made a couple of these in the States, and he was just really lucky to get your hands on one.
Yeah.
Garrett GT 2871.
Yes.
All right, well, just summarize. Just summarize what you fucking...
It's a 91 S13 hatch, full SR swap. Basically has all the typical bolt-on upgrades of the GT28. Front end cooler, C32 math.
That's 300ZX.
Yes. Has Evo pink injectors. I think they're 550s.
Evo.
Evo.
Mitsubishi Evo?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. That's what they're out of.
Yeah. LS1 coil packs. Stock bottom end, stock head. It does have rocker stoppers, but that's the only internal change to the entire thing.
Is that just like a safety thing for SRs?
Yeah, it's just so you can rev to redline without having issues. The chassis, it's got basically fully built suspension, BC, DR, or I think they're called DS coilovers now. It's basically full ISR arms. Front and rear, I have Villains Drift, front angle kit, extended LCAs, cut knuckles. It's got basically a full interior and fresh paint and body.
Rotors and more hub.
You got hubs, mate. Good job.
Today I'm doing an unboxing vid of my S13 hubs. I used to watch Airsoft unboxing videos. And BMX parts unboxing videos.
I did too, man. Well, not BMX parts, but...
Yeah. It do. Bruh.
I might have to pull the axe. I don't know if you can do it. The axe, I bet you can. I think there's slots in it.
Guys are out. I don't know if I can do it with one hand, but yeah. I just have shit in my eye now. That's all.
That way. So you can like slip into that. Yeah. Can you pull it farther?
Yeah. Scratching up your nice powder coated subframe, but
It's not gonna hurt. That should be fine right there.
I didn't even realize you put that on.
What?
What you're wearing?
I was cold.
I looked at you, I was like, what the fuck? I like that. It's one piece. That's sweet. All right. So you just have to put those bolts in.
Yeah.
I'm going to take the other axle out.
Yes.
And then fucking floor it.
Floor it,
And start it and floor
Start
it.
it and rev it to red line.
Hubs in. Now we can't get the other side of the axle in. Vince and I sent Nick under there. Nick is this huge, buff, extremely muscular man, and he's gonna manhandle this axle.
It's huge above the sand harness wax boy. Max, you said millimeter. It's not looking anywhere near millimeter. All right, well, I got some sweet tea and I just had some chews, so I might be good to go. Let's see what I can do here.
Something like that.
Get a little angle on the dangle. And just give her some fucking heat and straight. About all you get out of that's a blown nut in your gut hanging out of your shirt.
Place order. It's buffering. And Vince just ordered the wheels.
Did do ordering. 18. I'm running a stock SR trans, so I don't want to have too much grip because that could cause problems.
Transmission delete.
Yeah.
Right side. All right. Fuck it. Axle installing nice jackets and pants. I'm gonna go past it first, maybe?
Yeah.
Or go
do that.
up here. Well, that didn't work. Vince finagled it up through this way. Shove that end above the diff and then slide her in like this. And then hopefully it will.
It's going. There you go.
Hopefully this will actually just work on this side, but I have a feeling it's not gonna. Just issue that was on the other side. We can't get this side of the axle over this lip to mount to the diff, so we're taking off all these arms. Vince ended up disconnecting literally everything. I don't know what exactly was necessary, but start out the sway bar, like every arm, and then finally, it should pop right in. And then it's literally 6 bolts, and we'll be solid. Okay, so this black piece is the end of your tool.
Yeah.
And then you take that,
And
which
you
just
take
rethreads
The
it,
die, which basically just fixes the threads.
and you put it in a vise and turn it, and it should repair them.
Yeah. It's definitely bent.
Definitely.
But as long as it threads into the rib knot, it should be fine. So basically how this works is you put this, which is the rib knot. You'll put it on the end of the tool, but it ends up going into here, like this. This is, it basically pulls the threads, which are on this side. It pulls them through up closer, kind of smashes this part. It works like a rivet, so it basically makes like a lip on the other side as well.
If you were to rivet these on,
Yeah.
it'd be more permanent.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas when you do it this way, you can just
Yeah, I can,
unscrew the Allen.
service them, and if I need to take them off for any reason. And then after you squeeze it, you just unscrew it, and now you have a threaded hole in your sheet metal.
Okay, measuring the distance between the riv nuts on this side so we can replicate it on that side.
Yeah, when I walk in and like, who is that boy? Want me sit on top of off of Air Force. Look at y'all niggas like y'all on my nose. Sipping that air every day on your board. You try to fit in like you on my noise. Everyday covers that closer to glory. Who's that you nigga with stamp? Just forgery. Dripping that thing I am damp, support me. I ain't get to you for a quarter. I know who get to work across the border. Say one bag, probably give it to you shorter. Got a lot of low stashed up like a hoarder. Ain't no hell, got a whole lot of horses. Try to raise me, better hold your horses. Can't speak up, man, you look at the horse. And a 40 go click like Dorothy. No, you can't be my baby. Abortion, selling my fabric and made of course. I just wanna grow up my big eat oysters. 1200 jet for the red on your horses. Big right shooting that bitch like Gordon. Big love take control on main order. Yeah, I need to bake this and hold this water. Text on my face, just say I'm one. When I walk in and like, who is that boy? Want me sit on top of off of Air Force. Look at y'all niggas like y'all on my nose. Sipping that air every day on your board.
Next, we are going to do the front hubs and brakes all the way around. Being that this is the first YouTube video that we've done car-wise, let me know what is horrible about it or what you'd rather see, like in terms of editing or filming or whatever. But that's it. Vince, you should be very pleased with your 240, I think. Looks fucking awesome. And yeah, peace.